all steam.
What? Leave the stapler alone.
Hey, Taylor, if you make the bullseye or the 10 points, we're getting married next weekend. I'm holding her feet because she keeps stabbing me. Marble, please! Stop making spicy biscuits on me. Look how livid this small cat is. Yes, sit there with your feet folded very politely. Yes, thank you. I appreciate it. Dude, stop looking at me like that. Oh my gosh, stop that. Stop.
Alright, this how you check if your oil's hot enough to fry your french fries. You get a wooden stick, and when you put it in there, it should bubble. See, mine's not ready yet. But then, make sure you tap it off, because you...
Alright, everybody, keep your hands and feet inside at all times. And please make sure your seatbelt is tightly fastened. Thank you, everyone, and have a fun, safe ride. Except for you, bro. Yeah, you, in the front? Yeah, you thought you was brave and all, right, sitting in the front? Yeah, that seatbelt is broken, bro. You're gonna die. You're gonna die today, bro. In 3, 2, 1.
The computer's about to explode!
Ouch! Stop it! You're terrible. I'm putting... Oh my god, you're nuts. Please stop it. Ow!
And he's here to do some business with a big iron on his hip. Big iron on his hip.
What are you doing?
Ow! You bit my titty, bitch! You bit my titty! Fuck no.
I think the house is haunted with a bunch of dirty sluts.
Why are you gonna do this with me again?
Do what? What happened to right here? Like, what happened there?
Whatever, bitch. Like, honestly, like, I'll talk to you again first.
Look at you, bitch. She hit me first again. I always her up. I always her up.
You holding on! Let go!
No.
Yes, yes. You have to let the past die.
ABCD.
Yes, the ABCs, the 1, 2, 3s. Kill them if you have to.
Okay.
Okay.
For the last week, I've been obsessed with the Death Star alarm noise. While I've been trying to figure out how to do it with my mouth, I found out my bird absolutely hates it.
Alright, cutie. Alright, sweetie. Alright, cupcake.
Who cupcake?
Alright, baby girl. Alright, sweetie. Alright, sweetie.
Good looking, my boy.
Hey, with that fruity ass shit, get your ass.
Alright, sweetie. Alright, cutie pie. Alright, cutie.
Appreciate it.
Hey, man, hell no.
Be dead. Don't be dead. Don't be dead. Okay, you're alive. Whew. This is why everyone hates you. You can't act like this. Kevin! Get down! Look, an egg roll. Trash cat. No, not the glizzy fish. You have your own fan page now. Obviously, they're not bulls. They don't have any horns. I just like the way that some of you live your life so confidently. Someone's excited to become the favorite. Bacon seeds.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. We can stay up late, swapping manly stories, and in the morning, I'm making waffles. 'Cause I'm all alone. There's no one here beside me. Stop singing!
You're gonna find me? Good night?
Holy fuck, I thought I was tripping balls. What the fuck?
Alright, favorite drink? Thanks. I owe you.
Yeah, you do.
Favorite snack? Favorite color? Extra snacks. Something that reminds you of them? A hex bug? I got you that because you're a baby. You remind me of a baby. Something to do together.
We don't dance and tell.
Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet.
And you were my baby. It started when we were younger. You were my boy.